Alright, welcome back to the BodyFix PT and Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an exercise for the shoulder and upper back. We're going to go up against the wall and we're going to lift our arms away from the wall. So you're going to get up nice and close to the wall like so. Your arms are going to be up overhead, pinkies touching the wall. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to lift your hands off of the wall by pulling your shoulder blades back. Just like so. Okay, and you don't want anything down here moving. We don't want to see you lifting off by bending backwards, right? Like my chest is staying against the wall, my feet are staying still. I'm just using the muscles between my shoulder blades to do this exercise. Okay, that's going to help your overhead mobility. Go ahead and check the rest of our videos out. If you like this, if this helped improve your overhead mobility, comment below. Give us that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get a video out every day. Take care. Good luck.